as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Ay, spam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. But esa puta sabe who I am, so she wanna take this beach on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up.
Lock and loaded. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you guys? Type in the chat. I want to know how you are feeling in this beautiful new week because I'm feeling very good. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm back from the mountains. I'm back from the skiing. Nothing happened, no injury, so I just skied all the way down to mountains and back on live sessions. Half speed, good morning. AK, good morning. CC, good morning. Trader, good morning. Hello from India. Love for India. Joshua, what's up? All right, the team is here. Good morning, Kurt. So, what we're looking at, chat? First of all, we have taken out the London low, okay? And now, what I want to see is, as long as we stay above the 830, we're going back and take the London high, then we go to the Asia high, which is around like a 200 points. So we are now in the 920, 940 macro. Very exciting day, and my bias is bullish right now. And the ATR is 14. So, it's a quite volatile opening, I might say, because most of the time we get like around 8, 10, but now is the 14, okay? So, this tells us one thing. We need to be very careful on sizing. So, if you are going for like a 10 micro, maybe it's good time to consider you start with like a 3 to 5, okay? This is what it is. And by the way, guys, all the indicators on my chart is the Borsa 321 toolkit. And it's the beta version which you all gonna have access, I think, the next month. So buckle up, beautiful people. We have working SMT futures. It's quite nice. Now we are beta testing together this. We have 4 minutes till the market open, and I will be copy trading with a lot of accounts. I'm using the trade sinker, so hopefully it will not blow us out. So if you guys have any questions, drop it to chat and I will happy to answer all of those. So right, the 4 minutes and it's counting. Today it's the day, like, it's better to wait for the market open, but you never know. Sometimes we get a nice opportunity from the market. All right. So 80% of going on in the Apex. If you want to grab it, might be a good time. And 20% off on the Flux chart, so you guys know what is it all about. So we have a bunch of SMTs right now, as you guys can see. BC means the bullish fair value gap. CB means it's the bearish fair value gap. Okay, the cat is inside now. All right, so we're looking at the beautiful chart right now. Brother, please give me 500 USDT. Which pair do we trade today? We're gonna trade the Nasdaq futures. All right, so buckle up, beautiful people. Buckle up, beautiful people. All right, we have 3 minutes counting on. All right. Just give me a moment. Okay, guys. We have a guest in the room. Okay, the TP is about to gut fill and boom. Okay, we out of this position with the 200 ticks. We have a situation going on in the room, which is a cat. We have cat sabotaging the live session. Anyways, we just made a 200 ticks on this trade right now. And this cat is very wild. So let's see. Okay, the whole office is chasing the cat, but no one is catching it. So beautiful A plus signal. Okay, we're trading into the new week opening gap, and we have 5 minutes till this macro over. The next target is absolutely the Asia high. The main reason I took this trade is basically like the ES was pushing higher while the NQ dropping down, and the Dow Jones, if you just look at it, was doing the session highs. So yes, Joshua, we banking the market live like we always do. So A plus signal, just print it out. Okay. So let's make this label sizes the normal. This is going for the Asia high, which is around like a 60 points or so. I guess we closed a little early. This setup is literally working like every time. We never miss this. We never miss this. Okay. Looking for the next opportunity right now. Guys. Okay, I think the cat is now outside of the studio right now. So, okay, it was a nice surprise, whatever it is. So, we have a 37 points margin here to the Asia high. I do have a plan to take a long, but I think it was better idea to just leave the runner, right? So we are inside of the 920 to 940 macro, and the A plus buy signal literally banged all over again. So let's see if the Asia high is hit or miss. High chance that we're gonna see it gonna hit. So I'm just waiting for a continuation trade right now. Okay. It's a little pullback. I want to jump in with the one micro contract. Come on. I don't know if we can get the continuation trade right now while I'm looking for it. Okay. Still room to go up on the ES. Very close. Very close. Like a 3 points on ES. Okay, still have the targets. Might be a quick scalp though. Might be a quick scalp. 20 points. Continuation trade. If we just can retest at least like the halfway of this new week opening gap, we'll be very happy, man. My eyes on the ES. This little cat is like crazy bad lady. Okay, targeting the Asia high, took the continuation trade. I want to see the momentum in the market. Come on. Asia high at the 26. So we're taking a part to full TP around like a 25. Yes. We got the suspension block right now. All right. We're just watching this right now. with the one micro contract. With the one micro contract. The reason is you can make money with all sizes. I closed too early but can't be mad. It's $750 in under 3 minutes. Let's go. I also closed early, but you never know, man. Oh, taking the rest of the position here, 135 ticks. Let's go, baby. This was the continuation trade, and we banked all over again. Beautiful day, beautiful start of the week. So what else you can ask for, right? You just got the confirmation. We are now inside of the suspension block. If you don't know what is suspension block, it comes with the two volume imbalance on the same direction. So basically it's like another imbalance type. When the market trades into it, you expect a bump spike up to the upside. So it is what it is. Okay. That was a beautiful trade. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Asia high 25. I'm so happy that we took the continuation trade. We up $750 also. Patience never fails to pay. All right. Orders are floating. The money is in the bank. Keep pushing higher. Okay, the suspension block is a beautiful place that market keep dancing around. All right, look at this beautiful A plus here. It's crazy. I know. Guys, if you're enjoying this live session, all you need to do is just smash the like button. Why? Because we are like a sniper. What we say is happening. There's no surprise. We just do this every day. Oh my godness, man. Okay. A lot of CBs here. CB means bearish fair value gap. If you just don't know, just a quick reminder. All right. We have a situation going on here. The market just don't want to go and take the Asia high, seems like. We're outside of the macro now. We're basically waiting for the next macro. As you guys can see that inside of this macro, we took two trades. Two of them was long and the target is still there. We know that market is playing with you when it's just going to target. It just, you know, it will go there. But the question is, you don't know when it's going to happen. And that's where our methods kicks in, which is the partials, and which is the how you will engage your position with the bearish fair value gap, right? Oh my god, I was in New York 2 weeks ago, I guess, yeah, and 2 days at home. Then I traveled to mountains for ski to Europe. Then now arrived home like 24 hours ago. I don't know if I'm feeling good or what, but the thing is, we just keep making money, man, in any condition, okay? So I just opened my screen and I see the opportunity. There was a cat in the room, but who cares, right? When you see something, you just can't hold yourself. Beautiful people of the channel, can we get 30 likes? I don't know how many likes we have right now, but I think the 30 likes should be easy for you guys. We have like a 55% or something watching this right now. 57%. 57%. Come on. Can we take us to 30 likes right now? And what you will get is 30% off coupon for the Borsa 321 toolkit. It's a win-win situation. Haha. Just kidding. We have the IFG here. I don't know where it's coming from. Oh, it's a long way, brother. A long way. All right. So we got the first FVG of the day, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So the new indicators is on fire. Literally on the fire. So let's see the equilibrium points. All my settings is gone. Every time we just push the update. And that's a little trouble for me to handle. Okay. Oh my god, look at this market drop right now. Okay, I'm laser focused on the next opportunity. If we trade below the 930 right now, guess where is the target? These lows over here, right? It's an easy one. Previous day PM low we have, and we are now witnessing the first fair value gap of the day just got inverted. Okay, it was bullish one. Now we just inverted. As you guys know that if you don't know what is first FVG, it's quite simple. It's literally the first FVG of the day. Nothing complicated. Now, the 950 macro is getting closer. And what we want to see is like basically two things. Either we finish the job here, which is the Asia high, or if we close the candle below 930, we just go all the way down to the BC over here. Why didn't you take it short? Because it's outside of the macro, and basically we have a targets on upside. You know, I don't trade outside of the macro. That's basically the reason. So 2 trades, 2 winning ones. We're not playing, ladies and gentlemen. We're executing live in front of the hundreds of people. All right, rejection from the 930 on the both pairs. We're reading the charts like we always do. Okay, oh my god, look at this spike. I think we're going for the unfinished business. So guys, keep in mind that all the indicators here are the Borsa 321 toolkit, and it's all the beta versions. Of course. My pleasure, Kurt. Okay, this is a nice rejection candle. Let's see if this short selling pressure is continuous. My eyes on the 930 candle closure below it. Okay. Oh my god, look at the selling pressure right now. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. We getting warmer for the next macro, which is in 2 minutes. Let's bring it up, let's bring it up. Too many opportunities. Man, I love trading AM session, but like the first 1 hour of it. We just inverted the first FVG of the day. Okay. All my executions are here on visible. Guys. There's 80% off going on the Apex, and if you want to grab an account, it's a good deal. Oh, tricky situation. Gonna be fun. The next macro gonna be fun. Let's see. Rejection from the 930 candle opening. We have 1 minute till the new macro starts. All we do here is trade Nasdaq futures. No mercy to markets. Just making money. Okay. This is like a Fairy tale. 830 opening price is 690. So gonna be interesting one. In 20 seconds, we're gonna see the new macro. As long as we stay below the 930, I mean like a candle closure base. My bias is short right now. And the targets are very clear, obviously. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. 950 macro is just started while the cat is pushing the door again. Can we get much higher? Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Interesting. I was running a short, but somehow I can't close it right now on the apex. Why? I got order. Okay. Come on, baby. You have to close it. Hello? Okay, closed it. Oh my god. 930 bucks. I don't know why it took like a forever, but anyways. 15 contracts. Okay. Beautiful trade again. Beautiful trade again. Let me show you the idea. Let me show you. Let me just quickly grab the accounts. Where is it? Okay, this is it, right? I don't know if you guys see it. Yeah, okay. So I was short here and nice rejection, then boom, boom, boom. 905 bucks on this trade. Okay, so we're trading below the 930, 950, 1010 macro. So we just did the session lows. Crazy. Nice. I like it. This trade sinker, it's been a while that I didn't use it. Mr. Borsa, where do you live? I literally live everywhere. My base in United Arab Emirates in Dubai. My company is in Miami. So I see that. Okay, we got these beautiful lows here. The question now is like, what's the next move? At least I want to see the retest somewhere here. Come on. Okay, new session lows. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy, guys. I like it. I like it. Dow Jones making a session lows. ES making session lows. All the markets are like literally tanking. It sounds like you are never bored. Yeah. I usually, my thing is like, I love to live the life. I make money for spend. I'm not the guy that just stacking up the monies. Okay. Raised in Hawaii. Oh no, I raised in Turkey. Beautiful people, we took 3 trades, 3 of them is winning. All we do now is wait for the next opportunity. Now, two things can happen. This 950 macro, as you guys can see, running right now. Okay, we have this target. This is what I see at the moment. We took the previous week low also. Interesting. I feel like they just wanna dump the market. DRS, can you show the A plus signal? All the signals are in my screen. If you don't see it, there is no signal. Okay, new fair value gap. Oh my god, guys. This is like a dropping. Uy. Okay. What is going on? I guess we have like a bullish order block. Yeah. Yeah. This is a falling knife, boys and girls. I have the toolkit, but it doesn't print signals like A plus. What should I do? You have to enable the macro filtering. It's quite simple. We just go to settings, right? Not this one. Let me find real quick. This one. You just need to enable the macro filtering. I will shoot a video like a comprehensive guide how you can use the toolkit, okay? But there are a lot of videos obviously showing how you can do that, but with the new version, I guess we have to do it all over again. Okay, I wonder one thing. ATR is 41? Come on. This candle was 105 points, guys. Market is on steroids. I'm telling you. Ah man, I just wanna took short so bad. But at least I wanna see we traded back into 830 before we did these all lows. Okay. No need to feel FOMO. No need to take impulsive trades. All we need to do is just wait patiently. And it will come to us. Don't worry, guys. I hate when these opposites just keep resetting themselves. My godness. People complaining about like the chart looks so messy sometimes. And it's because though 90% of the time it's because of the opposites on my chart, right? So okay. Boys and girls, how many likes we have? Did we reach the 30 likes? Sorry, the target was the 30 likes. I don't know if we can't reach the 30 likes. I don't know what to say to you. Oh, 3 more likes and I'm dropping literally 30% off. What is macro time? Great question. The macro times, basically the times that we took and initiate the trades. So you can see 920, 940, 950, 1010. And 90% of the time we see a huge volume injection and the true intention of the market. Okay, at these macro times. Outside of these macro times, usually we see chop, usually we see like not much so going on, maybe the manipulation, not the real move, you know. Okay, 243 up, $1,300. Borsa is the best. Half speed, thank you very much. You're killing it, my friend. Okay, boys and girls, we are live on this random Tuesday and just keep making money. I guess I'm up like $2,000 or something I stopped counting money maybe 3 years ago. Who cares, right? Okay. Now, you know what satisfies me is like when I push the button, either it's a buy or sell. When I see my execution goes to my target tick by tick, that means world to me. I love it. And the second thing, what makes me happy is that you guys making money. You guys constantly making money. So this is what makes me happy, basically. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I hate Apex because of their trailing drawdown rule. I really hate it. But also I love them because you can just stack accounts like 20 times, which is crazy. Guys, look at this drop. It's massive. It's massive. Oh, gotta love it. Guys, if you have any questions, I always say it, but you don't have to be shy. Just throw it away. 10 a.m. candle. Sometimes, like maybe 40% of the time, we see this candle as a low of the day. It doesn't have to, but just a sign, right? Enable. And yeah. First, let me see the FIB levels for the day. It's loading. I hate tradingview because it's so slow. I have intolerance for things that slow, you know. That's killing me. I can't hold it. I can't wait. Why? Because the money means time. Can you please tell us exactly when you enter the trade? Of course. But you know, 90% of the time you guys should see on my screen, right? When I push the button. So this is the 10 a.m. candle, guys. Let's see. If it's gonna be the low of the day, or are we gonna keep dumping down? If this is not the case, we might catch a nice reversal. Something like this, perhaps. To our trade, 2.55. Shall we go for it? Okay, let's wait for let it create the imbalance first here. Come on. 37 seconds. Don't go without us. Both pairs are moving together. I like it. No SMT. I would love to see SMT actually. Was a good idea take the short position on the bearish fair value gap? It really depends. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I need to see exact position that you're talking about. Okay, rejection from the bearish order block. Didn't push the button yet. If I go into position, you guys will see it, okay? Don't stress about it. This bearish order block is like a strong one. Okay. Looking for longs, looking for reversal. I think we have the bullish fair value gap here, no? We have the small one, I think. Okay, I have my limit order right now. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that to me. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I had my order at the 506. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Why are you doing this to us? Thank you. Why you gotta be a bad boy today? I know you already gave us the money, but you know. A plus buy. The problem is the ATR is too high. Taking a one contract. I'm in the trade, guys. So 609 could be nice target. Let's see, 609, which is the 830 opening price, right? And it matches with this bearish fair value gap like a charm. So we are in this A plus signal right now, and running PNL is 60 ticks. Let's get into it, beautiful people. Fourth trade. Let's see if we make the money, or are we gonna kicked out from the markets? Oh my god, we having a problem here with this bearish fair value gap right now. Even if we lose, who cares it? Why? Because we made money. That was what I meant. So come on, invert this. 15 seconds. Can we get an inversion right now? I want to see some speed. I want to see a candle like this. Come on. You have to do it. Okay, 10 a.m. candle seems like the low of the session at the moment. So idea is good. Come on. Can we go higher than this? Can you take us higher? Come on. Okay, trouble. It's going back and forth because it loves to do that. Okay. Waiting patiently. My execution is not the best area. I think the 505 was the better, but nothing to do, seems like. Oh my god, ATR is 40. It's crazy, right? I think it's too much for a random Tuesday. And tomorrow we have a Fed, right? Let me just check it. I guess, yeah. Tomorrow we should have the Fed. Yeah, FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. That's true info. That's true info. Let's see if how this trade gonna work out, gonna stop us out. So we'll see all the answers. I don't think that right now we're gonna see a new session lows, but okay. Come on, baby. I wanna make 4 of the trades that we took gonna be winning one. So like 505. I don't know. Okay, bouncing back. How well does your indicator keep you from trading bad trades when there are very volatile news events? Simply, it works based on the macro time, so you know it saves you for the chop market and unnecessary trades like 90% of the time. That's the idea. I guess the toolkit, the A plus signals, has more or less like 65 to 75% win rates based on the 15 points take profit on NQ. But obviously it varies on the ticker that you're trading. 20 seconds till this macro over. We stuck on this trade. One contract only. It was a good idea. I'm not sad or mad or regret that I took this position. Actually, I'm happy, very happy that I took this position, actually. Because, there are some statistics, there are some levels in this game. And if you cannot accept the risk, if you cannot accept the loss, you're never gonna make it. Okay? So I know that, like I said, 30%, 40% of the time, the 10 a.m. candle might be the low of the New York AM session. So when you see that it happens, you know that you're gonna get some reversal moves. But the problem is, I was a little late executing this one. So idea was here, but this candle was suddenly spiked up. How many points? 52 points on one candle. My goodness. Anyways, if we lose the trade, right, which might happen, it doesn't matter. Why? Because we are protecting our money. I don't think that it will wipe out all our profits with just one contract, so I don't mind. What I want to do is like take one more contract when it just close so to my stop loss. So let's see the volume imbalance, the bullish one. Let's see if it holds. This is how you want to scale into trade. If the things goes bad like this, you just want to reconsider. I hate stacking in the trade. Where is your SL? The session lows. Session lows is my stop loss. Order block rejection. 85 ticks, back and forth. Come on. Give us the money. 8 minutes till the new macro. If you guys having a bad time with this trade, I suggest you close it. If you feel like you're feeling the impulsiveness, or if you feel bad in any ways, you can just take it off, right? Okay, I took one off here. So I just minimize the risk, as you guys can see. I actually don't mind from now on, whatever it happens. Okay. How long did it take you to become a constantly profitable? Oh, I guess I can say like 2 years, maybe 3. Yeah, 2 to 3 years. The reason is I trading, I think more than like 8 years now, and I have changed a lot of strategies, a lot of market types, a lot of instruments. I have traded the forex market, I have traded options, still do, and now I heavily trade the futures market. So yeah, I can say like 3 years. Like, if you want to trade for a living, 3 years. Because, there are some prices that you need to pay, like the blown accounts, the revenge trading. Trading is the simplest part of the trading. It might sound funny, but that's the truth. The problem with the trading is your brain, and if you can handle that, you're never gonna make it. And I can easily say like 80% of the traders can never make it on that side of the trade, which is your brain, right? It keeps playing your mind, and somehow you can never become a profitable because of that. You're just taking revenge trades, you're taking impulsive trades, you know. You're trading basically like there is no tomorrow, so that's the problem. Okay, I feel like we're gonna do some session lows right now, so I don't know how many risk we have. Oh my god, man, 40-point risk right now. If we lose this trade, we're gonna close the day with the green. So if it hits my stop loss, we close the day with the green also. I don't know, guys. The problem is the ATR today is very high. It's really up to you. Oh my lord, what is going on right now? 200 ticks. It's just madness. Okay. Come on. 40 seconds. Now I will teach you something, guys. Just follow up with me with the how many seconds till the candle closure, okay? Okay, $100, 200 ticks. It's a rejection from the CB. I don't want to see. I want to see a clear inversion. If it happens, that's a beautiful. Come on, don't pull back. Don't pull back. Come on, baby. You can make it. You can make it. Do the damage. Do the damage. Come on. 250 ticks, my goodness. Just playing with the trader mind, don't you? Okay, beautiful closure. Now my point is, when you see it is like a strong candle, you can hold on to this trade, and you can maybe put your stop at break even right now. We have 3 minutes till the new macro. Somehow my whole thing is very laggy. I don't know if you guys having issue with my stream, but I have a problem with the trading view. If you guys see it, it's like, I don't know, 1 second behind. Do you just trade New York Open, or do you also trade Asia London? Oh no, I only trade New York Open most of the time. Yeah. Okay, guys. 273 ticks. I don't know what can we ask from the market more. 6 seconds. Come on, give me the inversion. 606 is the final TP, but if I see some pullback, I don't want to write this. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Come on, baby, push it higher. Oh, 400 ticks. God damn it, man. Closing out here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a show business, and this is a trading channel, and this is the channel that where you see everything live, no hindsight capital, baby. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen, patience never fails to pay. Some of you might think that my position wanna hit the session lows, I know, but see what happens. I told you guys, 10 a.m. 40% of the time this idea works. So 10 a.m. session lows, we took too long, and we ride it through the targets. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you very much. All right. I guess the show is over. It just keep pushing higher and higher right now. And yeah, we took 4 trades. 4 of them was banking. Happy day, happy trades, happy life. Guys. Tomorrow we're gonna have a live session. Friday we're gonna have a live session. Thursday we don't have a live session. So only one day we're missing, and rest of the week we're gonna trade together live on YouTube here. And as always, Zero Leg Live Trading Room available inside of the Discord. Yeah, easy like that. Ladies and gentlemen, that was all for this live session. We make so much money. Now it's time for what? It's time for enjoying the life. Thank you guys for watching me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me see. If we get the 30 likes, as I promised, I will drop a discount code for 30%. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, we got 33 likes. All right. Guys. Okay. Use code FEB. Okay. FEB. And the link, it's quite easy. Yeah, there's a link in the description. You can just go there and grab the toolkit for 30% off. And believe it or not, we're gonna raise the prices to $110 in the coming months. So it's like a crazy deal right now. So as I promised, here is the discount code. If you wanna use it, use it. If not, I love you all. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, until the next time, see you soon and take care. Don't blow accounts, and we'll catch you tomorrow.